Think about the last time you needed a specific spice while cooking. You probably had to shuffle jars, push bottles aside, or dig through a crowded cabinet to find the one you wanted. It is a small frustration, but it happens all the time. The wooden rotating spice tower Carousel is a direct, intelligent solution to that exact problem. It is not just a shelf, it is a system. It takes a collection of jars, often chaotic and hard to manage, and organizes them into an accessible, logical display that actually works with you while you're cooking. The core idea is simple. A central wooden pole acts as an axle. Attached to this pole are several circular tiers, like round shelves, that rotate independently. Each tier is designed to hold a row of spice jars. Because this whole assembly spins, you are never searching behind something else. The jar you need is never more than a gentle turn away. This is the main advantage. It replaces linear, buried storage with a circular visible system. You can see almost every label at a glance. It turns a collection into a library where everything has a clear, reachable place. The material matters here. It is made of wood because wood is stable, looks good in a kitchen, and feels warm compared to plastic or metal. A tower made from light wood like maple or birch has a clean, modern look that fits a lot of kitchen style. It feels crisp and efficient. One made from a wood like walnut or cherry brings a richer, more traditional warmth to the countertop. The wood is usually finished with a food-safe oil or sealant, making it easy to wipe clean from the occasional splash or dusting of spice. This isn't an appliance you hide. It is meant to sit out on your counter or in an open cabinet, so its appearance is part of the kitchen's landscape. The design is all about thoughtful details. The tiers are sized to fit standard spice jars, with a raised lip or small dividers to keep the jars from sliding off when you spin it. The central column is sturdy and well balanced, so the whole unit doesn't feel wobbly when fully loaded. The rotation should be smooth, no sticking or grating. A good carousel will have a stable base, sometimes weighted or with a non-slip pad, so it stays put when you spin a tier to grab the cumin or paprika. Some designs are tall with many tiers for a large collection. Others are shorter and wider, acting more as a central organizer for your most used staples. This is when it becomes more than just a holder. A well-organized spice tier changes your relationship with your spices. When you can see them all easily, you're more likely to use them. That jar of smoked paprika or garam masala isn't forgotten in the back of a cupboard. It is right there, inviting you to experiment. It encourages order. Many people arrange the tiers by frequency of use. Everyday spices on the top, baking spices in the middle, occasional specialty blends on the bottom. Or They might group them by cuisine or flavor profile. The system lets you create your own logic. From a practical standpoint, it saves counter or cabinet space by using vertical space efficiently. Instead of a long row of jars taking up a whole shelf, the tower consolidates them into a compact footprint. It saves time and minor frustrations in the middle of cooking when your hands might be messy or you're timing something. Not having to search is a real benefit. It is a small piece of functional design that removes a small but constant friction point in a daily routine. In the end, a wooden rotating spice tub is a clever piece of kitchen tool. It is a straightforward answer to a common organizational issue. It uses the natural appeal of wood and smart rotational design to create something that is genuinely useful. It doesn't try to be decorative art, but by virtue of its order and material, it often ends up looking like a nice, purposeful object on the counter. It is for anyone who cooks regularly and is tired of the spice jar shuffle. So, what is the main appeal for you? Is it the pure convenience of having all your spices visible and reachable, the space-saving vertical design, or the simple satisfaction of having a well-organized, good-looking system for something you use every day? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating!